What's up everybody, Nate Kopic here from Germain Chrysler here in Sydney. Today we have a beautiful 2024 Ram 1500 Bighorn Night Edition. Let's take a walk around this thing and see what you're getting into. Now this does have the 5.7 Hemi. It is flame red in color, which is awesome in itself. Now I mentioned it being a night edition. Black wheels, the black accents, black mirror caps. Really is a great looking truck. Again, it's got a 5.7 Hemi, which everybody wants in their truck. We'll take a look inside real quick. We'll get to that in a second. I want to go around the back and show you more of that black accent. I kind of got ahead of myself. The Bighorn badging, the nice Ram badging here. Almost looks 3D printed, don't it? And the gloss black in the handles. Very nice. Now, it does have a backup camera. Makes things a lot easier when you're getting into a parking spot. As you see, it does not have a bed liner. That is something that we do add here. Not on site, third party. Set up the tow. Got the 4-pin, 7-pin action. Dual exhaust. Look at these tips. Oh, made my phone foggy. Nice little hyper black looking tip, it looks like. Very, very nice. I think this truck just stands tall. That color is probably one of the best colors that Ram has to offer. Definitely would stand out in a crowd. Now let's get back to that interior. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Look, power folding mirrors even. Well, it looks like it is. Maybe the door needs to be closed. Power seats, premium cloth seating. It's got a little design there in the middle. Nice center console. Pretty deep, got a lot of room for things. Got a slide forward, got even more room there. You can set your phone up in there. It slides back and forth. Massive screen. And you got all your little features up here in the dash. You see your radio. Come on, get to the tires. There we go. Tire pressure, coolant temp, all of that such. Heated steering wheel and a heated seat. Heated seats, sorry. It is 4-wheel drive. Very nice. Oh, you can set up your garage door opener. How cool. Take a look in the back. I got the key on me. Plenty of seating back here. Plenty of room for seating, sorry. These seats do fold up. Got a lot of space there. And if you've never owned a Ram, check out these little features. Makes nice if you got children or want some road pops in there. They are removable. Top it all off, we got a couple charge ports here. Again, this is a 2024 Ram 1500 Night Edition. If you like what you see, give me a call, 937-492-8005, extension 133. My name's Nate Kopic with Germain Chrysler here in Sydney. Talk to you soon.